Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason with Veteran Custom Woodworx, and today we're going to do a tutorial video using Crafted Elements mold, big Texas mold, and this is partnered with Crafted Elements. Some other products we used for the build is super clear liquid glass deep pour epoxy, and to prep the mold we also used some silicone release, so it helped it pull it out really nicely, which you'll see in the video. And when it's all said and done, it'll come out looking like that. So if you stick around, you'll also get a code for Crafted Elements. So here we go. All right, so here's the super clear liquid glass epoxy deep pour. It's going to be 2-to-1, and you pour your 2 parts first and then your 1 parts next, and then you stir for about 5 minutes, and then they want you to transfer it to another one and do another 3 minutes, so about 8 minutes total. So guys, what I did in the beginning is I laid out all the bottle caps as close to each other as I could, and then I went ahead and poured the first layer of the deep pour just to get everything set and push them down, and then we worked on the second pour, which is next. So here we go, we're working on the second pour, and I just want to cover everything. And once the epoxy got into the bottle caps, they stayed down. I only had to push down a couple later on that were trying to float because there wasn't a lot of epoxy in the bottle caps. So as you can see, like the company says, it is super clear. It's great. It does take about 72 hours to cure. So we poured that and then we checked it out. There we go, a couple bubbles, but those popped later. And so we're popping the bottles now with the heat gun. And once they came to the surface later on, they also popped. So it was not too much of a problem. So here it is as it's curing. And there's what it looks like. And then we did another pour over that. So looks pretty good. And here's the demolding. Again, that demolding spray worked wonders. This came out super easy. Everybody loves a good demold, right? So here we go. Just popped right out. Nothing stuck to the side. Here we go. You can already see it's really clear. We're probably going to put a top coat on that, but it looks pretty good. Check it out. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Again, this was using the Crafted Elements mold, and for my followers, you're going to get a $10 off coupon for Crafted Elements from anything in their store. The coupon code is VET Custom WW10. And again, using this mold, we made this for someone's man cave or Texas bar, or just if you love Texas. And then on the back, some of these have the cities of Texas in them, so pretty cool. Also, if you want to buy this, hit me up on Instagram, Veteran Custom Woodworx. And again, the coupon code for Crafted Elements is VET Custom WW10. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it.